Good morning. Yesterday, I made the video of working on the cats. Well, last night when I went to do a Wipnchat, that video had never downloaded. It was just pending. So, it was a little late. Finally, it downloaded last night. It's supposed to be pretty here again today. I like this pretty weather. Now, as of right now, next week, it's supposed to be cold again, down in the 40s. So, do you guys have plans for today? Of course, I'll be at the church today. Today is Thursday. This little sticker series is coming along quite well. I have really enjoyed these warm days. It kind of gets you all ready for summer. Now, what is your favorite season? If you could have a season year-round, what season would you pick? I would pick spring, because spring is when everything seems to come to life. And I do better in warmer weather. And if you have arthritis, you probably know what I'm talking about. Well, Linda, you gotta hit it before you can pick it up. I keep dropping them. But I found out, I was listening to someone, and they was talking about if your drills has a lot of dust on them, you'll have to, sorry about that, you'll have to re-put wax more often. And I kind of didn't think about that until I heard someone say. I think it was Damaged by Teen that said that. I'm still in the bed every morning when I go to watch Debbie Gets Crafty and Crafting with Judy. Their sticker series, if you haven't watched it, you need to jump over on their channels and watch it. They have a sticker series, and I watch every morning to see, okay, is this going to be the morning? They did it once on a blue whale, but so far they haven't done it again. And it was so good to see Teresa. She has a channel called Teresa's Journey. And need to go check her out. I'm yawning a lot because when I'm filming this, it is like 3:48 in the morning. So, just overlook the yawning. I said, this week will spoil us. Next week we'll think we're freezing. Some of you guys have got snow. It's like, no. My sister lives in Fargo now. She had moved from Minnesota, and I think they've got snow. I think snow's pretty if it comes and goes. School's out today and tomorrow because there's so many children that are sick here with the flu. So now the teachers are still in, but has to show up. I told, because we have several teachers that goes to our church, and I told one of the teachers last night, and she said, yeah, we still got to show up. I said, I'd look at them and say, look, it's pretty today. Tomorrow, I'm just going to take off too, because there's not going to be no kids here. She said, I wish I could. Oh, we got a good time this morning. Several of y'all have said y'all have got coasters and working on. Well, I checked this morning for 4 days. My 2 packages have sat in customs. That's as far as it's gotten. So, they have not updated at all. This last order I put in, there was 2 things, and it kept showing that I had pressed twice, and I went in and put it back to once. When I ordered, it was twice again, and it was like, but I was told that you had to watch that because they noticed that Tim was sneaking 2 orders on them. Well, it happened. So now I've got 2 things that I kept changing to 1. So sorry about the sniffles. If you're new to my channel, you will soon learn I don't know how to edit. I don't know how to pause. What you see is what happens. The mistakes, you'll see it. I'm just a plain country girl. Bella says, Mama, you might want to film at 3 o'clock in the morning, but I just won't be in the bed. She's all curled up, sound asleep. I have to admit, yesterday I didn't get much diamond paint. When it's pretty out, it's like, so I'll probably work on them at night. Because I'm a very outdoors person. Which is okay. Are you an outdoors person or an indoors? Well, drive me crazy. Other than going to church today, I don't have much planned. Oh, the lady that has chickens, I got eggs off of last night, and I said, I'm going to put them in the refrigerator, and I hope I don't forget them. Well, I was in bed last night, and it was like, oh, I forgot my eggs. Yeah, I forgot. So, I'll have to try to remember them today. I think I'd forget my head if it wasn't fastened to me. So, but I have to say, after a package has sat for some time at a certain spot and seems like it's not moving, Timu will put a thing on. Your package has had no activity. We are getting a hold of the carrier to see why. And then next thing you know, it's moving again. Oh, I'm going to have to cut it off here. Just when I get to enjoy talking with you guys. You can take these off, but you never can get them back on straight. Yeah, that's good enough. So, thank you guys for spending some time with me this morning. I hope you have a blessed day. Get out and enjoy your day and enjoy. Whether you have to work, stay home. I hope everyone's feeling good. I know a lot of you have been sick, but I've also noticed that you're back making videos, and let me tell you, you are missed. So, hang in there. Bye-bye.